Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Shukla. I am basically from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BTech from Shambhunath Group of Institute of Engineering and Technology in the year 2020. After completing my graduation, I have joined Evision Technoserve, where they are providing excellent and full detail of a module and give me a live classes, and self-played videos are well structured and covered all of the modules. all of the modules. And after that, they have a good placement team which conduct telephonic and a webex interview practices, and also give me a personality development sessions. And they help me a lot in my placement. And yeah, I get a placement in a Wuerth India company as a offer 3.5 LPA. And thank you to give me this type of sessions, and everything. It's helped me a lot in my placements. And yeah, it is a great experience with you guys, and it is a great experience with the Evision Technoserve and their placement team. Thank you so much.